It's recording everything, translating everything. So cool. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Are you drowning in meeting notes? Ever leave a lecture or conversation and you feel like you've missed half of what's said because, writing notes so quickly that you can't concentrate on what's going on? So here's a teeny gadget from Plod that records everything, turning hours of audio into perfect notes, summarizes and even pulls out action items. Stick around because today we're going to deep dive into this. The Plod Note AI Voice Recorder is so cool, and I'm so sad because I went to CES, went to so many presentations, and again, I'm recording things on my phone, I'm taking notes, all that kind of stuff, and I wish I had this with me then, but I got it now. So this is the Plod Note Pin, specifically in gray, which is really kind of cool looking. Right out of the box, I was super impressed. It's incredibly thin. It's got a really powerful magnet on it, so it'll attach to its own devices, a MagSafe phone, something like that. It feels premium. It feels almost like a little alien. It's aluminum with this alloy body. It's got this cool printing on it. It's super discreet, actually. I really like that because you can take it, you put it on the pin, right? You could just put the pin here. Oh, I just turned it on. It takes one press and it turns on. I could go my whole day at CES, talk to everybody in the world. It's not even like when I'm sitting there with the microphone in front of people. It's recording everything, translating everything. So cool. One of the other features that I really like about it is you could put it in a wristband feature like that, wear it on your wrist. Again, it's still very discreet. Or you could just put it on the necklace that comes with it. Just clips in there, put it around your neck. Looks like jewelry now. But I did find one thing that I would suggest to them that they should do to upgrade the product. So this under your shirt, not clipped on like here, not so comfortable. But like, let's say with my DJI mic, you put the little magnet underneath your shirt and then clip it on like that. They should have the same version for this. I think that would be a good idea. I think if they do that, I should get an extra commission now for sharing that idea with them. So let's talk about some of the specifics, because this really isn't just a hardware play, right? The real magic happens when you pair it with the Plod app. This is a little recorder. It packs 64 gigabytes of memory, which is literally enough to cover hundreds of hours of audio. But once you stop recording, it syncs with your phone, and that's where the game changer is. It's got AI integration, so you upload the recording to the app, and Plod's AI goes to work. First, it transcribes the audio, and it happens to support 112 languages. I actually tested it with some of our translated videos, which are in German, in Spanish, and then I translated something into Afrikaans, because we're going to Africa on a safari, and I was curious if I could bring this in, I'm going to be able to keep track of all the great stories of the tribes and that kind of stuff, and it will translate Afrikaans really pretty well. I do have to say, the German was spot on, the Spanish was spot on, the Afrikaans was a little gray, but you could get the gist of what was being said, but it wasn't quite as specific. So instead of going into all kinds of crazy details and that kind of stuff, other than that cool story I just shared with you, I thought I would go with the 3 most common questions that I found when I was researching this for myself to talk to you about it and to try it out and test things out. So the number 1 most common question is, how accurate is it? And I just told you in my testing, I found the German was really good. The Spanish was really good, really super, super accurate. I even tried it. I put the TV on in the background just to see if I could throw it off, and it still worked pretty well. Obviously, if you're in the bar and it's really loud and there's strong overlapping conversations, it's not going to work so well. It's not really meant for that. It's meant more for lectures and typical meetings where one person's speaking at a time, but it is impressively accurate in those situations. Another important question is, do you need a subscription to use this? And you absolutely do. For it to be effective, you really need to use their AI application, and there's definitely a membership plan for that now. When you get this, there's an initial trial period, I think it was 7 days, where you can use it for free, get a feel for it, that kind of stuff, but you're definitely going to need to invest in that if you want to use the AI magic, and this is really about the AI magic. So the other common question question I saw is, how long does the battery last for? Claude claims up to 30 hours of continuous recording on a single charge. I'm not going to try testing that, see if it actually works that long. It's just crazy town. I've used it multiple times. As I told you, I've recorded multiple videos that I did in different translations. I had no issues whatsoever. I didn't really make a dent in it. I would guess you could probably go 60 days with like normal usage of it. But if you want to do a really intense 30 hours, supposedly you're supposed to be able to do that. Okay, so no product is perfect. I already told you it was a little gray on some of the translation, but I wanted to share some of the other negatives that I thought of. And also I wanted to go somewhere beyond just the normal, oh, well, you have to have a subscription. And that's true. And that is a little bit of a negative. The other negative that I would say is you need to have your phone and an internet connection to really use it and use it effectively to get that magic AI going. And like I told you, I'm going on a safari. Not so sure all those things are going to be available for me when I'm in Africa in the jungle. So maybe, I don't know, but to me, that's a little bit of a drawback. I'm a little concerned about how well it's going to work in that situation. But honestly, it's a minor point compared to the benefits, because the benefits are crazy. This thing is sleek, it looks great, it looks like it's from outer space kind of thing, and it's so powerful. The recording quality is solid, the battery life is excellent, and the AI transcription is absolutely spot on. I do like the summarization that it does too. That's really kind of a cool feature. I think it's genuinely transformative. If you're somebody who needs to capture and takes a lot of notes, I think you cannot possibly go wrong with this. If you want one of these, there's going to be a link on the screen where you can get it. Worst case, down in the description you'll find it, and if you use that, it helps out the channel, and say thank you in advance, makes a big difference to us, and it doesn't cost you anything extra at the same time, so it's a win-win for both of us. While you're down there, remember to like, subscribe for more cool stuff like this, and put in the comments, what are you going to use it for? Do you have like a business application? Are you media? Are you writing your own book and you just want to like dictate it while you're walking around the neighborhood? What are you going to use it for? I'd like to know. Put it in the comments below. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.